This 2025 Forest River Solera 32DSK is a Class C RV. It is located in Corsicana, Texas, 75510 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Corsicana. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features a cobblestone interior, sleeps 6, slide-out, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2025 Forest River Solera 32DSK is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.